To Sheba online classes, standard 8. I will be finishing off the unit 7 with the supplementary. So, today I will be taking supplementary. The name of the lesson is Mystery of the Cyber Friend. Mystery of the Cyber Friend. What is the cyber? What is the cyber friend? Where do we get this word cyber connected to? Internet. Okay. The cyber, that is cyber crimes. Many of you small children are faced with such kind of crimes all around you, isn't it? That is, though you are handling the telephone, the phone, that is a mobile phone in your hand, and maybe you are studying, but in between they get ads and all that, no? And many people want to befriend you, that you want to be your friend. So you must choose well, okay, because this is a wild, big, that is a powerhouse of entertainment, and it is very easily you get addicted to it, okay. So you must choose your friend, understand who it is, who you are talking to, who you are chatting with is very, very important. So this supplementary lesson is really an eye opener to all the children out there, okay, those who are listening to this story, okay. The characters, let me explain the characters to you. The characters are Shri is the main character. She is a 13-year-old girl, and then Shri's mother, of course, Shri's mother is working in a jewel shop, okay, and Shri's father is a taxi driver. Okay, let's continue with the story. So this is, see the characters I just want to tell you. Shri, I told you already. The next is Shri's mother, she is working in a jewel shop, and Shri's father is a taxi driver, and a very simple family, and along with them Shri's aunt also lives with them, okay. And then the last part, that is a Chaitra, that person only is the cyber friend that is why she got into this, in this, how she got friends with him is, she used to work a lot in the thing. Her parents bought her one computer, and she was working out what school projects and getting to know some knowledge, of gaining knowledge in that through internet. But what happens, accidentally she gets to meet with a new friend. So but what happened is, this new friend has not put his picture, that is that person has not put his picture there, not his picture, it's some other girl's picture. So she thought she's a pretty girl, she is okay, fine, and this Shri was continuing to have a nice chat with that girl every day. So, and along with that she used to chat with her school friends also. Then this was a special friend, this person, that is name was revealed as Chaitra, okay. And like looking at the very simple family, so parents were helpful to her, that is he bought this computer for her, and then she was they were looking at her working on the computer, and they are feeling very happy, okay. So okay, and then aunt was a little well known, that is she knows what is happening, so she is always used to monitor what Shri is doing, okay. So then it has gone for a long time, and every day she used to go chat with this person, and then she chatted with her friends, and then it went on for a long time. And then what happened is, suddenly this girl Chaitra, she said, I am living near your school only, so let us meet. So she said she planned to meet, okay, let us meet one day, okay. She said, okay, fine, I will meet you. But when she told to meet, she said, come alone, don't come with anybody else, come alone. So that was really confusing. Like such a, she was always in a jolly mood and such a nice girl. Suddenly on 2-3 days, what happened? She was keeping to herself. She was feeling confused. Like, why is that person telling me to come alone? And where they are proposed to meet is near a railway station. She said, come to the railway station, come there, we will meet, okay. Then she said she was having a little doubt. So what happened? She shared this with her aunt. Luckily, I am telling you, she shared it with her aunt. Like always, you must have parental guidance, or any person, that is your elder sisters, your elder brothers. You please, that is children of your age, you are just 13 years old. Okay, 13 years old you are, and what should you do? You should always have consult with your parents, or your anybody where you feel comfortable with talking to, okay. So because parents immediately means they will really shout at you and all that. So your sisters, your elder brothers, you can share this. Say like this, something is happening, let me find out about the details about that person. Only then only you must talk, because internet is a wild world, the whole wide world is in that, okay. So you won't know who you are talking to. It will maybe the profile is somebody else's profile, but the person you are talking to can be a criminal also, can be anybody else, just to fool you, to get your friendship, and maybe I don't know what will happen after that. So be very careful this handling the internet, okay, you must be very delicate. Okay, do not share your photographs, or previously also in that cyber thing I have told you about the pros lesson, no, all about how to be the do's and don'ts, the disadvantages of computers, and so all that must keep in mind. Don't take it as a pros lesson or a supplementary lesson. See, each and every lesson has got something to teach you, okay, so absorb that, take that up. So it is only for you, telling you an advice. So always children must take up their advice, okay. So now what happened to this, come back to the story. So what this Chaitra was telling, Chaitra said, please meet me alone near the railway station. And where do they live? They live in Katpadi, okay. So so it's a small village there, Katpadi. So what happened, this she was very confused. Then she shared this this thing with this matter with who? With her aunt. She said, aunt, like this one person, I'm having a friend, I'm chatting with that girl, and this is the thing, profile pic. And immediately when she showed it to her aunt, she said, no, I don't think it is her pic. Okay, she is hiding her profile, but she is putting some other person's. It is a film star. Madhu is one film star. So that person has put the film star as his profile pic. So it may not be true. This please be very careful handling with this. And she gave one warning. And then he told that Sri told the aunt that like this, we want to meet. She is staying very close to her school only. So we decided to meet each other. So then aunt asked, where do you want? Where? The railway station. She told, but what happened? What's the problem is? She told me to come alone, not to bring on anybody else. So that was really, then aunt was calculating, no, this must be something fraudulent only. We should not believe anything. So thankfully she told her aunt. And then what happened? Both of them went together. Okay, the meeting, that day was the meeting day. So they go and they go to the railway station, and aunt stayed in the station master's cabin, and only Shri went to meet that person. So she was waiting there in the station for the so and so place. They told her to stay. So then the man who came there, it's not a girl but a man, Shri's father's age. Okay, a very elderly person, and like it's a father's age, like that person came and said, he introduced himself as Chaitra. So I am only Chaitra. She was really taken aback or shocked. So all along I was talking to this man, she was thinking, an elderly person was trying to befriend her, a small child, 13-year-old girl. That's why he was trying to brainwash her, telling her come alone. But what happened? Luckily she told her aunt to come. Then he was trying to convince her, like from far Shri's aunt was watching, and station master also was watching what is happening. So that man was trying to talk to her and convince her, say, please be my friend. And then she was trying to avoid, no, I thought it was a girl, and how can I talk to you? So there was an argument going on there, and from far the aunt and station master was watching what was happening. And then I think he tried to act smart with that man, the Chaitra, that man tried to act smart with Shri. So when they came, when she was trying to tell, I am your like uncle, talk to me, be my friend, let us go somewhere else. So immediately from there she rushed out from the cabin. The station master and the aunt came, and Shri's aunt took that handbag and hit him on the head. And the way she hit him, that man got scared, and which train he came into, he just jumped into the train, and the train moved off. So then afterwards what happened? And then there was the policeman, the station, my people, everybody gathered around. But that man quickly ran away, escaped from there, from the police. Then what happened? Luckily, she thanked Shri, and thanked her aunt and station master, like she was saved. See, such fraud people are there in this world. So who is who you are talking to, you don't know, because they can hide everything. That is the photos, their profile, everything can be hidden. So you please be very careful, okay. And then afterwards what happened? The police came and found out about the happening, whatever. They came and saw her computer, and they got all the information, the details about that man. And then where he was staying in Bangalore. Okay, the man from Bangalore, he is trying to talk to this child friend, Katpadi. So then afterwards what happened? They found out everything, and they went and nabbed him. They caught him the cyber crime police, no, they will come and catch them. Not the ordinary police, the cyber crime. They will find out. They will hack into the system and they will try to find out all the details about them. So this is how this has went on, and then finally everybody came to know about it, and then the police they told, please put this, that is, this is a kind of awareness to all the children. So this, whatever happened to you as this incident, you should put up in the net and saying this has happened. So you write it as a story and upload it in the whichever thing, Facebook or anything, just upload it. Like you, many children can learn from this and be aware and be cautious. They can have this like a warning, like not to chat with unknown people. So this is what this story is about. Oh, you go through the story, that is, it comes into sections, that is 1, section 2, it goes on. So read this. I told the story now, so it's you better read it once, because you may be getting answers, questions like identify the character speaker, because it's the dialogue form, it's like a dialogue. So you must be able to identify who spoke these words, right? So for that there are marks, and then fill in the blanks also. Like here and there, I have just told you the summary of this lesson, but you may be getting some small questions. If it creeps up, means you must be knowing, you should know, isn't it? So reading is always best. Once or twice read the lesson, then you will understand it better, and you can retain all the one words and the people who spoke. Okay, like identify the character speaker, you will that is 5 marks for that, no? So you will learn it properly, all the question answers, go through it. So there's the page number 209, no? You just about the author is given there, that is Zach O'Ea. So the name, that who he is, from where he was born, everything, and just read it out to you. Has published altogether 15 books in Swedish, many of them important bestsellers, including the Gandhi biography Mahatma, which was shortlisted for the August Prize 2008 for best non-fiction book of the year. His most recent books include the popular comic thriller Mr. Majestic. In 2018, he had also published the acclaimed travelogue A Walk Through Barry Gaza, and the popular children's thriller The Mystery of the Cyber Friend. So this is what, okay. Then he also that is a literary critic and columnist, also contributing now that he to the travel magazines National Geographic and Outlook Traveler. So these are all his thing, whatever he has done. Okay. So Indian writing, that he is also a translator specializing in introducing Indian writing, such as Pankaj Mishra, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, Bama and others, to Swedish readers. So this from Indian writers, he is translating into Swedish and selling it there in his country. Okay. So all these kind of things. He is the playwright, his director, designer, producer, and occasional performer also. So if you see his face, you will understand. That is the pictures given to him. And then another one thing is very importantly, he is put up here, child helpline, child line 1098, night and day. That in case you have any kind of children, when you are handling the internet, no, you must be very careful. Know this line. Note this line, this telephone line, and in case if there is any kind of a thing, you find something fishy or something like something strange happening in your chat, no, then immediately call this number. Then immediately they will trace the call and they will find out all the details about it. Then you can stop yourself from chatting. Okay. See, the child helpline telephone number is in India is 1098. The internet has many uses and is wonderful technology. So, but if misused, it can cause problems too. Use the internet wisely. Do not give out your name, address, school name, telephone number or email ID to strangers online. Okay. So that is strictly prohibited. Don't do that at all. So just see this number 1098. Always keep this very close to you. Okay. So hope you understood this lesson. See you next class. Thank you.